Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about zodiac Virgo and what is going to happen in first 15 days of October for my dear Virgo. I have get some cards from Dream of Gaia, and now I am going to shuffle in front of you what is going to happen in the first 15 days of October for my dear Virgo. What is going to happen in the first 15 days of October for my dear Virgo. What is going to happen in the first 15 days of what is going to happen in the first 15 days of okay, in first 15 days of October, you are wanting to do something or to leave something, but you can't. Why? Why is this card is here? What is you want to leave? Over here. Maybe a bad person or a Capricorn person, and you want to end the relationship with this person because you don't anymore love this person. Okay, and you want to leave that person, but you are not able to leave it because you know that this person is not good for you. They are the devil person. They are the liar. They are the cheater, and they are change you with them. They stuck you with them. You are having a quite fight with them. You are fighting with them and about some situation, and you think that you are stuck with this person. You are not able to leave them. Knight of Wands, you are having a desire to leave them. You are having the desire to the freedom, and you don't want to live with this person anymore. You are crying about that moment when you want to marry this person, when you want to have a relationship with that person. You are mourning that time. And you, with this card, you are getting out of your bad time, slow and steady. You are getting out of this time. What else? The bad relationship. You are getting out of this bad relationship. Okay, now yes, you are leaving them, and you are coming back to your past or someone that is from your past, and you think this is the justice for that person or for you to leave this bad relationship person, and you are waiting for this time from a quite long time. From a long time you are waiting for this separation. Now you are feeling more faithful, more fortunate, more happy. What did this person do to you that you had left that person? What did that person do to you? Okay, because this person, they want to left you or they want to break up with you. They want to have a break up with you. They don't care about your home. They make it miserable, and that's why you want to leave this person. You have no more love for this person. What else is happening in the first 15 days of October for my dear Virgo? And you are becoming more wiser than before. You are coming in your own. You want to protect others and take care of others for your family or for your friends, and you are becoming in your strength. You are more powerful, more strengthful. You are attractive source. Maybe you are attractive source towards something else, and you had made your mind to do something. You are in your energy. You are more powerful. You want to help others, you want to make others happy, you care for others, you want to have a relationship with someone else, maybe you are attracted to someone else, and this person is your soulmate, this other person is your soulmate, or maybe this is your friend, you are going towards your friends and making them happy, having a good time with them, and what else, this is also the friendship card, friend card, or the soulmate card. What else is happening to my dear Virgo in the first 15 days of October 2020? Okay, Seven of Swords. You are making the plan to cheat someone, or someone is cheating you. Why is the Seven of Swords are here in this situation? Why is the Seven of Swords are here in this situation? Why is the Seven of Swords are here in this situation? Because you have no strength to do something over there, no courage to do something, and that's why you are planning to cheat someone, to have that you want in your life, to be in some situation you are going to cheat that person because you don't think that you have a courage to do it, to tell them the truth, you're lying to them. Okay, this maybe you are breaking up with that person, you are leaving them, and you are lying to them that about something. Why is this Lover's card upside down in this situation? Why is this Lover card upside down in this situation? Because you are not loving, missing that person, you have no love for that person, so you are not missing that person, and or maybe you are lying to others that you are missing them, and because you can't tell others that you had broke with them, you are telling others lie, maybe that you are with them already, you are also with them, but this is changing something over here. You have finished something very in a good way, and now something new is happening to you, and you are very stubborn with this card to do something, to leave that person maybe, and you had invested your plans or something in some place, and you are waiting for the profit to come out of it. You are the Virgo, this is your card, and you are searching for your happiness, your freedom, your own happiness, and you are searching with this card also, or maybe need some help from others. You are not blocking others, you are not blocking that person, but you also don't want to live with this person. Page of Swords, you are at this moment, you are wise person with these two cards, this card upside down and this card in the right upright position. You are wise at this moment. You do something with your mind, and you are not lying to others, you are not fighting with others. What else is happening to my dear Virgo? What else is happening to my dear Virgo? Okay, I'm using now other cards. What is happening to my dear Virgo? What else is happening? What are they going to do? What are they going to make? What do they want? Okay, you are manifesting something over here, and you are making your mind to do something. Maybe you are starting some new project, some new business, and you are very wise. Once again, you are very wise at this moment, and maybe you are restricting others, or you are teaching others the right way. What is the right way? What is the right thing to do? Or maybe you are teaching your own self. Okay, and you are doing something very fast, moving very fast, and maybe you are apologizing someone, or apologizing someone or proposing someone over here with this card, and you want to make a change, a new change. You have some clarity over some situation, and you are going to propose someone else. Going with you are definitely attracted towards someone. You are manifesting that person. What else is happening for my dear Virgo? What else they are doing? Okay, you are missing someone over here. Maybe you are missing someone to love you. You have all the things in your life and you are still not happy with this card. Someone is waiting for you, or someone is watching you, someone is stalking you, someone maybe watching you on media. They are attracted towards you, they are looking you, they are turning toward you. Maybe you are missing that person, you know that person, and this person makes you happy, you are missing them. You are attracted towards that person with a childlike energy, and you want to have a relationship with that person or friendship with that person. You want to meet that person once again and talk to them, have a time with them, you want to spend the time with them. Maybe you want to go to park or some hillside with them, and you are juggling over here with that person. Something is here, you are juggling with that person. Okay, why is this Two of Pentacles are here? Why is this Two of Pentacles 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 here? Okay, because you want to share your life, you want to share your happiness, your everything, your love, your care with that person. You're juggling it, you can't decide about it so soon. You're taking your time. Okay, you're afraid to take a step towards that person because you think that the past person, it had betrayed you, it cheated you, so maybe that person will also. So you are not proposing them or not doing something at this moment. You are not defending yourself or your loved ones. You maybe leave this all things, all situation on the universe. Okay. Okay, you are fighting with your own self. You are you want to decide something. You are fighting with your own self. You are not defending yourself, and you want to have a good relationship with this person, a happy home life with this person. Okay. Acha, Two of Wands. With this Two of Wands, you are not able to decide something over here, whereas you have to decide something very fast. You have no strength to move towards this person because you are afraid of your past, and you don't want your past to come towards you once again. Three of Pentacles, you are not searching about this situation. And you have a desire to have this person in your life. You have make your mind, but you are and you are going to take the leap of faith to that person. Your wishes are not coming true. Why? Why is this card is here? Why is this Nine of Pentacles upside down? Because you have to decide something over here. As much time you take for deciding something, your wishes are stuck over here. You are very stubborn and you are afraid of something. You don't want to move forward. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Chua. Acha. Okay. What else for my dear Virgo? What else is for my dear Virgo? Your heart is filled with that person's love. You want to make love with that person. You have lot of desires towards that person, and then what? You are not at this moment stubborn person, not a rude person. You don't want to leave this person. You want to have a relationship with this person. And you are also not telling them the truth. You want to win this person's heart, definitely, or you are going to win in this situation. What else? Okay, you are going to propose this person, moving towards that person. And why is this cheating card is over here? Maybe you are not really in love with this person. You just want some happiness with that person. You want to get out of your bad time, and that's why you are moving towards that person. You are not really in love with that person. You just have attraction towards that person. Maybe this could be the situation. And Queen of Cups, that person is really in love with you. They are moving towards you, and you are coming out of your bad times. Are you going to marry this person? 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 Okay. Yes, you are changing something here. You are ending something, and you are beginning something new with this person. And once again, you have the Hermit card. You are making some decision over here. You want a stable relationship with this person. Are you going to marry this person or not? Yes, you are considering. You have married with this person, and you are going to fulfill your desires with this person. You are having the good home life with this person. Okay. With this two cards, healing. You want to heal your life, your heart with this person, and that's why you are afraid to move towards this person. But you have to take a leap of faith towards this person. This person is good for you, and you have to take a risk for this person. And you have to leave your ego here. If this person wants you to do something, make them happy. Do as they wish. They are good for you. They are in love with you. This is all for you for today, my dear Virgo. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. Bye.